everyone, my name is Kriti and welcome to my channel Kriti's Life. So in today's video, I will be discussing about goals and goal setting, more focused on goal setting part because everyone knows what goals are. So yes, today we will be discussing on this very important topic and I'll be guiding you through the steps that I have followed and I found as well that people have followed and really have benefited. So I'll be taking you through these granularity of things and getting the specific and like how you have to set your goals and then just get on, set a goal for yourself, reach that goal and then celebrate. So before we get on with the video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, like this video, share it with your friends and family and leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. So let's get started. So the first thing in goal setting is deciding what is important to you and what you want to do. This is very obvious and sometimes people think this is very easy, but it is not. Like goal setting, vague goal setting might seem easy and it is easy. You just think about something and think that is your goal, but actually to set a granular goal is very difficult. Granular means getting into the core of the things. So a granular goal is a specific, a measurable, a achievable, a reasonable and a time bound goal. See that? SMART, smart goal. So be very clear with your goal, be very clear with the thing you want to do and then compare your goal with these five things. Is it fulfilling every condition? Is it measurable? Is it attainable? Is it reasonable? Is it specific? Is it time bound? And also when you are setting a goal for yourself, think about when if you are getting confused, by the way, of what is important to you, can start with a simple thing as reading a book in a week or maybe getting up a little earlier than you used to. And if you already have a goal in your mind, great, just check whether it is fulfilling the smart condition and then you're good to go. So this was step number 1. Decide what is important to you, what you want, like what changes you in a better way. Think that goal, measure it with these 5 criteria, this SMART, smart goal, and you're good to go. Don't forget to write your goal into a planner or a Google Calendar or any digital place, or even a piece of paper. A sticky note would do. My half of 9th standard went into sticky notes, writing my goals, building this huge wall almost with sticky notes for my goals and everything. So just do whatever suits you, but definitely write it down on physical paper or just somewhere in front of your eyes so that you have actually committed to it. You're not just stepping, you're now, there's no stepping back. You've set it and now you're going to do it. So the second thing, as I talked about, writing your goal, and the third thing is, now that you've set a main goal, right, you want to divide it into smaller and smaller chunks so that achieving that chunk would be easier and you would feel that you're getting nearer to your goal, rather than thinking about that big goal and then, oh my god, now what should I do? You've set your goal, you've set a name, but now you have to actually, you are not working on a yearly basis, right? If that is it's a yearly goal, then you're not working on a yearly basis, you are working on a daily basis to achieve that goal. So you have to set daily goals. How do you get to daily goals? I'll be discussing that now, and I'll be taking an example because telling this plan without an example would be kind of difficult for me. So I will be taking my example in my science. Let's say I have, in my science subject, if I have 24 chapters to complete by the end of the year, that would mean by the end of my by the start of my final exams, that means I have 24 chapters to complete in 12 months. Easily calculated, per month I have to do 2 chapters. 2 chapters per month would make me reach my goal faster and I would be nearer to my goal. Now if we see that way, my yearly goal is 24 chapters, my monthly goal is 2 chapters, my weekly goal is 1 chapter. I know it might seem like there are 4 weeks in a month and then 2 chapters. So 1 week for learning and then 1 week for revising. I took that example. Took this example, to explain it better. I did that for 1 month. If I had 2 chapters, I would dedicate 1 week for learning that chapter and 1 week for revising and actually giving several tests for that chapter. So you see where I'm getting to. I am dividing my goal into smaller and smaller and smaller time bound pieces. Like first it was a yearly goal, then a monthly goal, then a weekly goal, one chapter a week, and then next week revising, so that's a weekly goal. Then my daily goal, let's say I do 5 pages of learning and completely use active recall and flashcards, to get that thing into my brain. Do that for the week, and then next week I'm doing the revision. So that's how you divide your goal into little chunks, so that finally when you reach your daily goal, you exactly know what to do. You don't have to think like about the yearly goal until you've reached very close to it. You believe now, like it's on your paper, like you've written everything down, so now I've planned it perfectly, and this is my daily goal. I just need to focus on this daily goal now, and I'm surely going to reach that yearly goal. So divide your goal into little chunks, take it as small as possible. So like why I'm saying, like, take it as small as possible, because achieving small things in a day is very easy, and it gives you this sense of satisfaction. That dopamine release in your brain makes you feel very happy and satisfied and productive. That's what we are aiming at, and if that feeling continues over a period of time, you're going to reach your goal anyway, eventually. So make your goals as small as possible. So now you have your goal planned, the big goal. You have written it down on the physical paper, or on your iPad, or digitally, wherever you are taking your notes or anything. And now you've built an action plan, what to do each day. So you have your action plan, your target completely ready. Go for it. You've set your goal for yourself. Start working on a daily basis. You got this. And if you want to see exactly how you achieve your goals, perfectly scientific methods, watch out for my next video. It will be coming out very soon. So that is it for this video. And yes, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to again subscribe, hit that notification, like, share, comments, everything. So that's all for now. Till then, I'll talk to you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.